Start by loading SFR3 and LVFD1 textures into your image editing app. Extract the reflex lines from the fire department texture. Create a mask for the shoe. Add a levels adjustment and tune down the grays to make a more black shoe. Change the shirt and collar color to a darker blue. This can be done with a hue adjustment and then a levels adjustment. You don't have to worry about the belts. Change the color of the head bandana to dark gray. Perhaps write driver on the back of the shirt. We could also do a different variation for this driver. Change the shirt and collar color to a darker gray. We could change the color of the pants as well. Adjust the levels until the pants go gray. Add a sepia filter to colorize the pants. Add a hue saturation and fine-tune the coloring of the pants. The reason I'm not adding the original fire pants is they would look odd on this particular character.